Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to go over how to edit a bumper from After Effects inside of Premiere. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make a new sequence. We're going to Command N for that, or Control N if you're on a Windows PC. Go ahead and call it whatever you want. Go ahead and go in and find your After Effects composition. This one that we used in the last one is just called Untitled Project. So if you go ahead and drag that in, this will create a import After Effects composition. It's important that you have them named correctly so that way you know what's what. We want the bumper box here, but as you can see, you could have multiple compositions inside of the same After Effects file. So if you had just a file called templates, then you could have all the different types in there. So go ahead and click bumper, click OK. Sometimes you have to click it twice. I don't know why, it's some goofiness. So once we get that imported, we can go ahead and you'll see it's in here. It's called bumper, which is what the composition was called from the Untitled project because we didn't title it. So you're gonna go ahead and drag that onto your composition or into your timeline, put it wherever you want, and just keep existing settings. And then you can come in here and you can see we have the bumper in here. From there though, what you'll want to do is if you click on it, you can come over here to the master file, and then you can go ahead and change the name here to whatever you want. So if you want to say like Tom, you can change it to Tom. Or so then you can change them to whatever you want. So if you have different people that are always in your videos, you can change them, super easy, and it's pretty quick. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give us a like, comment, hit the subscribe button followed by the little bell icon, and we will see you next time.